In the last lecture, we discussed about our first checkpoint would be to learn a new programming language. So what is a programming language? It is a language used to communicate with the computers. As computers only know the binary language of zeros and ones, we need to find a way from which we can command the computers. So some people have created some languages which are in human readable format and which can be used to command the computers without knowing the binaries. So how does human readable code gets converted into the binaries? So there are two processes. A source code is the code which we write in our human readable format by using programming language. So compiler is an app which converts this source code into machine code. Machine code is nothing but the binary representation of our whole source code. This machine code is then used by the machine to execute the command and show us the required output. But nowadays there are some languages which use interpreters. So interpreters also do the same thing, but interpreters directly convert the source code into output. Means interpreter reads the first line, converts into binary, and then shows the output of the first line, and continuously do for all the steps written in our source code. According to Google, best programming language to learn first is the Python. But why is Python recommended? So the reason is Python is an easy and fun programming language, and it doesn't have strict syntax rules. Python reads like English and is simple to learn and understand for some who are new to programming. So this language is best for beginners. This language also allows you to obtain some basic knowledge of the coding without going into minute detail to learn how it works and why it works. Python is used everywhere, from web development to graphic user interface to software developments, and actually YouTube, Instagram and Spotify are created from this Python language. So there are many advantages to learn the Python language. Python is a slow language because it uses interpreter. Interpreter, as we said before, uses single line and converts it into the output and continues the process until the source code is completed. But compiler, what does it does? It takes the whole source code and converts wholly into the machine code. Then machine can easily execute the commands in the machine code and provide output quicker than this interpreter. So Python is a slow language, but for starters and beginners, Python is recommended by the most of the experienced coder. To start with our first Python program, we need to first install some basic requirements. So first of all, we need to in Python, go to the Python's official website and click downloads. After coming here, loading Python, go to the Python's official website and click downloads. After coming here, as per your operating system, download Python for Windows, Linux or Mac. Mine is Windows, so I will download for Windows. And here click on the latest Python 3 release, as we will be working with Python 3. So here in the Windows, I have 64-bit Windows, so I will download 64-bit. You can check your Windows version by going to systems. Here you will see that 32-bit or 64-bit. Mine is 64-bit, so I will download 64-bit installer. So it's now downloading. After the download is complete, click on this installer, click run. A new window will appear here, and click here add Python 3.9 to the path. You should be adding this Python to the path to easily get connected by the Sublime Text, the text editor we are going to use ahead. So click on install now. After this, we would require a text editor. I recommend use Sublime Text as I have personally used the Sublime Text. So Go to the official website of the Sublime Text. As per your operating system, download the Sublime Text for your operating system.
That's all for today. Start your coding journey today.